Hello guys, this is Santosh Kumar. I will go to show how to design G+7 story building on ETAP software for seismic load analysis. Also, in this video I will show seismic analysis uh, from response spectrum method. So for this purpose, first of all I will open the ET building model which is previously has been already created by me, or I explain various design steps, that is load combination and material property, assigning the material property, drawing the building element in previous video. So in this video we only explain how to assign seismic load and how to design and run analysis for this purpose. So for now go to ETAP software. Wait for some time for open the software. Now here software asks to open the new model or open existing model. So use open existing model, that is I have saved previously G+7 tall building. After clicking, model has been opened. Wait for some time, that is software has been run for open the building model. Now here building model has been appeared. So first of all go to define menu, click on load combination. Here no any load combination has been assigned, so first of all assign add concrete frame design, click on OK. Only 4 load cases has been appeared, so click on OK. Now go to define menu, go to load cases. Now before load cases, first of all go to define menu, click on load pattern. Now here only date load and live load has been set. So first of all set seismic load. So put name as seismic load, type as seismic, and auto lateral load choose IS 1893 2002. Click on add new load. Now after clicking go to modify lateral load. Here put direction and eccentricity only. So we do not use eccentricity, so all eccentricity has been off and story range has been default property. Now go to seismic zone factor. For this purpose, go to IS code 1893. So here this map shown various zone factor. So if you finding a special area या special city that is Bhopal location difficulty, then you can go to directly page number 39 for various zone factor for important term. Here Bhopal is zone 2, so go to software, put 0.1, and for site type go to again code and go to figure number 1 minute. Figure number 2, that is we use medium soils, that is type 2. So go to software and use site type as 2, importance factor as 1, and for importance factor go to again code and see this table number 6, importance factor. For all other building, that is we use residential building, because in serial number 1 residential building not lie, and so residential lie in serial number 2, that is importance factor is 1.0. so put importance factor at 1. Now response reduction factor, that is value of R. For this purpose go to again and table number 7. Here response reduction factor, we use ordinary RC moment resisting frame, that is value of R is 3.0. so go to software, put 3 instead of 5, click on OK, click on OK again. Here seismic load has been defined. Now go to load combination, here already has been added, so click on OK. Now go to analyze menu, set load case to run. Here seismic live date load has been already set. Now click on OK. Now add response spectrum method. So go to define menu, click on load cases, click on seismic, click on add new cases. Here load case, put load case name as response spectrum and load case type as response spectrum. Here no any load applied, so click on add acceleration U1 and function as response spectrum. Here spell calculation of scale factor. So first, before calculating a scale factor, click on unit set in the software. So for this, click on option display unit. Here acceleration unit is in mm per second square. So go to again define menu and select load cases, click on add new cases, put response spectrum load case type as response spectrum, click on add, click on response spectrum as a function and a scale factor. Now calculate the scale factor. So for go to this is the calculation of a scale factor. Now scale factor is equal to Ig upon 2r, where I equal to importance factor, G acceleration due to gravity, R response reduction factor. We use 1 as importance factor, acceleration due to gravity 9801 and response reduction factor as 3. So value is find 1633.5. So put directly in the software 1633.5. Click on again add in y direction. Here load name as u2, default function as a response spectrum, and spectrum is also equal to 1633.5. Click on and all value other parameter is as it is. Click change direction combination type SRSS to CQ63 and you can check model damping constant is 0.05. So click on if not set. So first of all modify model damping as 0.05. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Now go to function response spectrum, choose function type to be added as IS 1893 2002. So add new function, put function name as response spectrum, seismic zone factor as previously put 0.1, swirl type as 2 and other value did not change. Function damping ratio as 0.05. For you can see in the IS code clause number 7.8.2 7.8.2.1. The value of damping for welding may be taken as 2 and 5% for critical and for partial damping steel and reinforcement. We use RCC, so we take 5%, that is 0.05. Here 0.05 is already set. Click on OK. Click on OK again for exist. Now response reduction factor response spectrum method has been defined. So go to analyze menu, set load case to run. Here response spectrum has been set, that is run. We use dead load, live load as run to do not run. So click dead load and click to do not run, and also change live load as a run to do not run. Now click on run now analysis. wait for some time, that is software has been run. Running process is also seen in left bottom corner. After analysis has been done, result has been displayed in 3D view in the term of displacement. This is the displacement diagram, you can see in 3D view. Now right click on any point of for displacement value. You can cursor any point and check all the displacement value at that point. Now go to display menu, click on force and stress diagram. Here we see support reaction, frame analysis, shear stress, force stress, all other value as per your requirement. Okay, so now we go to design menu, click on concrete frame design, view or revise preference. Here 456 has already set, so go to design menu, concrete frame design and select start design check. Click on, wait for some times, that is software has already run for design plus check. Now go to design menu, click on concrete frame design, click on view all member passed. Here all member has been passed for design, that is design has been saved. So you can see all report by clicking model explorer as a report option, click on project report, click on summary report for view the detailing of project report. Here this is the summary report of this building model, that is G+7 building. Here all value, that is displacement, load value and reinforcement detail in beam column has been seen. Thank you and thank you for watching.